Hi Zelda, I'm looking at your long annotated bibliography and seeing some plagiarism. You should be checking your own work for that, and you do that by clicking on this percentage icon here, which brings you to, oh shoot, I'm gonna sneeze. Hold on. Oh my goodness, allergies are bad. So here I'm looking at your originality report, and I just scan through it, and I'm looking for flagged areas. And all these little bits that are flagged are because they've been published somewhere else, and now you're claiming them as your own. And the strictest definition of plagiarism is 3 words in a row, the same as the original. And you can click here to see, and then this number. So, well, it's matched to a student paper, but it's probably because that student quoted from this source. So this all needs to be fixed. And that too. If you put, there's 2 ways you can do this. You can put things into direct quotations, or you can put them into your own words. But I'm worried that the same passages have been used in your essay, which is going to cause a problem there too, because I can't grade assignments that have plagiarism in them.